In this video, I want to show you how you can top up on eToro. So if you want to deposit some money and you want to have some balance on your eToro account, what you need to do is you want to head over to eToro.com, make sure you make and complete the verification of your profile. So if you're not verified, you cannot deposit funds. So make sure you verified completely, and then you simply want to click on deposit funds. This will take you to this page right here. And then what you can do is you can change the currency. It should be euro, dollars, and then your currency, the one that you use. So you can do that, and then you can simply type in how much, and it will also show you a converted version. Type in whatever you want to use, if you want to use credit or debit, and you can also use PayPal after you've done it the first time, and bank transfer as well. Then simply fill in everything, press deposit, and then you're ready to go. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.